Welcome to Research Talks. In this video, we will see how to get LinkedIn Premium subscription up to 75% off. MyPCKey platform are providing you 75% discount if the LinkedIn Premium subscription price is $100 for per month. You just pay $25 and save 75% money. How to get, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. This is the LinkedIn profile. At the end of the video, this LinkedIn profile comes as a premium one and we are saving much more money using this tips and tricks. Just open the Google, type here MyPCKey platform. First link is display here. This is the genuine platform. If you open here the Google review, so many people are providing very positive review at the rating of 4.9 out of 5. Second one, this platform registered and recognized by Trustpilot and Etsy platform as well. So this is the 100% genuine. If you click here, platform are selling different subscription as well. Which subscription require you want visit this platform? I already added link in video description. We target today LinkedIn Premium subscription up to 75% off. So here several different option is available. 12-month LinkedIn Premium subscription, vouchers are available. Which one you like, accordingly you should decide. I just simply select here 12-month LinkedIn Premium plan, 75% discount. You can receive redeem code and how many features we are receiving after getting this redeem link. So here 5 in mail credit per month, see who views your profile, access candidate, all the features as a genuinely we are receiving as you normal getting the premium subscription. Using this process you can save 75% off. Apart from that, they are providing 10% discount as well if you use here MyPCKey coupon code. If I copy here, so I just simply click here buy now. Buy now point of view, you can, as I copy the coupon code, first of all I just simply copy here, paste here. So final price is at $23.40. So make sure this price you can get 75% off. So you need to pay here 23.40. Just avoid 75% off original price. So you need to pay here. As a payment point of view, as a normal perspective, you just simply add here your first name, last name, company, country, which country you are leaving, no matter, or all the world. Make sure the email address you need to provide. So accordingly you are receiving the redeem link on this particular email. As a payment point of view, you can provide here as a UPI, Indian based credit card, debit card like a Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Pay and UPI as well. If you're living in abroad internationally, you can use PayPal, credit card, debit card, payout and cryptocurrency also they are considering. I just simply select here, place the order, and my final price here, I need to pay here, final price is 1776 INR for this subscription perspective. If I click here, the proceed here, all the detail information is coming here, which card, net banking, wallet, UPI or EMI perspective. I just simply select here UPI and generate the QR code, and using my Phone Pay application I just pay here the payment and complete this process. My payment is successfully completed. I just simply go back here in my email and boom, I'm receiving one email. If you click here, I'm receiving the email admin@mypckey.com. The platform admin are sending me this one: dear customer, thank you for your order. This is our redeem link. Only open this redeem link when you are ready for redeem in one go. Place the order redeem link. Before clicking this link, you always open your LinkedIn account, which account you want make premium using 75% off. So I already make this account. I already open this account and I go back email. Afterwards, I just simply click this link and this is the premium link. Click the button below redeem. I just simply click here, redeem now. Boom, look at this here. Enjoy 75% off your next 12 months for business premium subscription. Get 3 months free YouTube premium plus exclusive features option as well. If you get the LinkedIn premium, you can get 3 months YouTube premium as well using this process. I want to activate this redeem subscription code, so I need to pay here 500 INR plus 1700 and something INR plus this 500. Just simply click here, redeem offer. You provide the authentication of the specific LinkedIn account, and after adding the OTP, look at this here, we need to provide here the payment as well. As we say here, 529 INR I need to pay right now. Due to today promotional apply, you need to pay 529 INR, and afterwards you can continuously receive these features. After 15th of June 2027, the charge will be 2170 INR. So look at this here, 2000 its original price, and you just receive this feature 529 INR. It's really impressive. Cancel anytime before 15th of July 2026 to avoid the charges of next month. And I just simply click here, place the order, and boom, I need to provide here authentication of my credit card, and afterwards I can get this subscription. First of all, I do the permission, and boom, after complete this payment, look at this here, welcome to Premium Career, achieve your career goal faster with Premium. Go to the Premium Career, I click, and look at this here, welcome to Dr. Jaipal Singh. You can put Premium now. Let's start. Here the continue, you just provide some of the information, job preferences, personalize here some job coming in related on my personal experience of this profile. Continue, 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 get start and explore, and boom, if I click here in my personal profile, so look at this here, enhance your profile, enhance with AI, and here the logo is showing my account is now in a premium one. I can open here the learning courses as well, absolutely free, including this subscription. Accordingly, just provide and then receive this subscription offers. Using this process, I can very easily convert normal account to business premium, very valuable and affordable prices. I already added link in video description. You click and order today and get your normal LinkedIn account to premium one and receive much more features. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.